This is SR CounterTrend 2, and it is similar to SR CounterTrend. It uses a little bit different method. And we take a look at the last 3 years of all these markets in this approach. Let me turn this strategy on. So now you can see the latest trades. I don't know why that was off, but it's on now, and we have 3 years of data in this window currently. And here it is on crude oil. You see the results here. I have further history on the website, and you see the results on crude oil. And we are using the same. If I click on gold here, you can see the results. We're using the same parameters for all three markets. So that's the beauty of this strategy, is it's similar to SR counter trend, gold and silver, but it uses the same parameters for crude oil as it does for gold, as it does for silver. And you see the results in gold are really nice. This approach tends to work well in the metals, and here it is in silver, and you see the equity curve. So one of the specials that I have on this is this strategy includes all three of these markets right now, but in April of this year, the lease will be per market. So right now for $50 a month you can get crude oil, gold, silver, all those for $50 a month, since it's a new strategy. And then in April it will be $50 per market. That's typically how I do it anyway, is $50 per market. And the best approach would be to get an annual lease, because you can go ahead and get an annual lease on this. I'm going to show you where to do that on the website. So if you go to my website, you can look at Automated Trading Systems New SR Counter Trend, and you can pick your platform. So if you are in TradeStation, for example, you can go down, you can see the more history on these. Here's crude oil, there's the equity curve, here's gold, and here is silver. So nice results, all using the same parameters. Also works on Brent crude, if you want to trade that. And you can get the monthly lease, and you'll get all markets included for $50 a month. Then in April, it'll be per market, $50 per market. If you go ahead and get the annual lease, that's the best deal, because you get a full year, and it will include all the markets. So it depends on when you sign up. If you sign up between now and before April 1, then you get the full year for all the markets. There's no market limitation restriction in the code that would limit it to a market. So that's because it's a new strategy. I wanted to let you know about that. And that is the update for today on SR Counter Trend 2.